What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Andre, and today I got a great video for you because I know a lot of people, you probably have a Facebook account, or if you don't have one, now's the time to make one. Now, I'm going to show you how to make some money or even earn money from Facebook, and this is a 2020 method. This is absolutely free. I'm going to show you how to take something that is viral and make money using it because right now, as you know, at this time that I'm shooting this video, a lot of people are in lockdown. A lot of people have been quarantined at home and they're using the app TikTok. They're busy online and they're using money and they're just buying stuff. They're just sitting at home, just scrolling. They're looking at various type of websites. And one of the places that people really hang out is on Facebook. I'm going to show you how to make some money from Facebook for absolutely free using the method that I'm going to share with you. So if this is your first time here, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, stick around and you will know that I've created videos over and over again just to help you to make some money from the comfort of your home. And make sure you subscribe, like this video as well, and you can share it with somebody who you think this is going to benefit. All right, so we're going to jump into things right away. For my people that always watch my videos, I appreciate you. So as it said right here, how to make money from Facebook 2020. Right, I need to put in 2020. There we go. And that's what we're going to be talking about. So here are some of the videos that I've created already. So if this one is not something that you're looking for, just feel free to just scroll through here and I'm sure you can find something that's going to be working for you. So we're going to jump into things right away. So here is what we're going to be doing. You want to head on over to teesprings.com, and Teesprings is a website that you can create designs, logos, products, apparel, whatever it is that you have, you can put whatever is on these items. So whether it's a t-shirt, it's a long sleeve, it's socks, it's conscious collection, or even leggings. If you scroll down here, you have like indoor pillow, there's posters. So whatever you have, they can put any type of design on here if you wish. Now, the main thing we're going to focus on right now is t-shirts. So we can focus on t-shirts, or we can also focus on, indoor homey stuff. But for this one, for the sake of this video, we're going to go strictly with apparel and, t-shirts and all that type of stuff. So we're gonna roll with the t-shirts because that's one of the hottest thing. It's always trending. People always buying stuff, and especially like tank tops. So now here's how you look at it. At the time I'm shooting this video, I'm shooting this video right now in May. So you always want to find something that is in season or getting ready to go into the season. You don't want to sell, long sleeve shirts and stuff. Not saying people won't buy it, but during this time shooting the video, it's getting warm. So these type of shirts, like these thin t-shirts and these crop tops, are something that people will go for. Now, what you can do is you can hover over and sign up for teesprings.com. It is free. All you have to do is just sign up, put your email address in, your password, and all that good stuff. So we're gonna go with the tank tops, and as you can see right here, the tank tops, there's various different colors. If you scroll down, you'll see they have this one, they have this one, that one, and that one. So this bright color, I like it. It's pretty cool. So the product is gonna cost like $13.32, and the size that it comes in, extra small and 5XL. So they ship both from the US and EU, which is probably Europe. So if you want to design this top, you click on where it says start designing. Now, what would you like to do? Would you like to buy or would you like to sell? Of course, we're in buying, so we're selling. So this is where you want to go. So as it states, list my design online for free and make money. That's what we're here for. So we click on this, you will see the t-shirt's going to be popping up. Now, We're going to find logos, and we're also going to find trending topics that are hot right now. Now, most of you probably watching this video and you probably heard about Carol Baskin, right? Carol Baskin is, it just pop up out of nowhere. I don't know where it comes from. I think she did something to her husband. I don't know, but it's something that, you know, you could put like funny stuff on here. You could put fitness stuff. You could put funny stuff. You can put things that are trending, right? You can put anything that you want that you think is good. You can put motivational quotes. You can put, um, vacation stuff. I don't think a lot of people gonna be people are probably going to be heading on vacation, going to the beach. I know for sure. They're just going to go outside and just lay by the pool. So people are looking for things that is ready to go. So these things can make you money. And if you put the time and the effort in, yes, money is going to roll in. So you can add an image, you can add text if you roll down here. So set your price. Price for the products fulfilled from the US is $22.99. So you're going to make a profit of $9.67 per sale. So if you can make, close to $10 per t-shirt, it will add up. Of course, it's not going to give you a ton of money. You're not going to get super duper rich, but it's something that you can get started. You can use this money to implement into other things and see what works for you. That's what you got to do, is take one thing, add it to the next, and then you go from there. So you can set the price, how much you want it. You can set it for, let's say you want to sell it for $24.99. You could do that. People always want to save on a penny. All right, $24.95. You could do that as a profit. If you're selling hoodies and all those things, then you're looking at 35, 40. For a t-shirt, yeah, t-shirt you can get it for, 24 bucks, 20 bucks. Let's see if we put it at 20. You make $6. So you can price it how much you want it. For me, 25 is good. 22.99. So you could put some designs on here. You could put, Carol Baskin. Carol Baskin. Killer. So you can put some really funny stuff. I'm Carol Baskin, ex-wife, and stuff like that. Some really fun stuff, and get creative. And if you're running out of ideas, remember, there's always Google. There's always Instagram. You can find quotes. So you can put funny t-shirt quotes. You could do that. And you can find heaps. You can type in, let's say, fitness quotes for t-shirts. You could do that. All right, so you can find these things, and you can even take some of these, because people just, people create them. They put them up on, let's say, set a goal and crush it. Set a goal and crush it. So we could do the same thing right here. Set a goal and crush it. Now you can make it a little bigger if you want. Right in the middle right there. I see. Set a goal and crush it. You can change the t-shirt if you want. Product color. You can go with white. You can go with this. You can go with that. And you could jazz it up a little bit. All you have to do is just spend some time. That's the front. That's the front. That's the back. Spend a little time in there. Right, and then just go for it. You can add image if you want, just to make it look good. And then once you design it, you click on where it says continue, and then you will see all this pop up. Now you can add more products. You can put leggings, you can put it on these things. So whichever one you want, you can get good to go. Right? And then you can select the style that you want. You can edit it. All right, you can edit, you can do all those things, and you'll be good, right? Yeah, you could do all that, right? Hope it's making sense so far. Yeah, so once you're done, you just click on next. If you scroll down, there's always a tab down on this side where it goes next, or you can click continue. Put in the title, what you want to call it. Put the description in. Okay, URL something cool. You can call it, set goal, set goal tease. You could do that. URL looks perfect. Visual to the public. All right, you can go and click on public right here. Set goals. Crush it t-shirts. All right, publish listing. Generating products is all it's gonna do. Let it do its thing. All right, marketer. You can use paid traffic. You can go content creator, all that stuff, whichever one you want. You can click on other, describe yourself, content creator. You can go marketer if you want. Go to marketer. You can do all that stuff. All right. Some orders are experiencing due to what's going on. We already know that the COVID thing, all that. All right. Then what you could do, you could share it on Facebook. I'm going to share with you exactly, how to do all this. Promote by listing. You can do that as well. If you want to promote by listing, view the store, add to cart. I was going to tell you to share to Facebook. All right, share to Facebook. That's what it's doing, but we don't want to share it on here. All right, that's not what we want to share it on Facebook. So we're going to leave because we don't want to share it on there. Okay. So what you could do is just grab the link, because this is going to be your link right here. All right, you're going to grab the link at the top. Then we're going to be heading over to Facebook. And then we're going to find fitness, some fitness groups, right? Look at that. Tons of different fitness groups. And what you could do, you could just join them, join all these fitness groups. Now, you're not going to go in there and just spam your links all over the place. You will keep in mind, because once you do that, some of the admins are going to be very aggressive and they probably kick you out. So you just want to go in there and, under the comments and everything, you can drop some hints that, hey, anybody looking for some tops, anybody looking for tops for this summer. We got some really cool gym tops going on right now. And people will see it, right? People will see it. You will see health. You can put them in health as well. Health, wellness, health and wellness in the gym is always good. So you can find, again, tons of groups that you can join. You see all these groups. Health and wellness, fitness. You can never run out of fitness group. There's so many of them. You can join them. There's like thousands and thousands of people in these groups. And you just go in there and you just, write some really cool posts, give some value. If you're not quite sure about the fitness as well, go to Google, find some really cool article and share them around. And then eventually people will want to do that. So what I'm telling you is things that I've already done. But of course, I'm doing bigger and better things now. But if you're in a place right now where you're trying to find some money, do this. Go to different groups, go to Instagram, post them on Instagram, but don't just go put your links all over the place, right? You can create Instagram page if you want and grow it where you can start promoting it. Likewise, the same thing on Facebook. But Facebook is a good place right now to find a lot of people. So just go on there and just start posting it. All right. So hope you enjoyed this video. Just wanted to create it for you, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.